Prove that all four circles drawn with the sides of a rhombus as diameters pass through a common point. Let's first draw a rhombus. Rhombus A, B, C, D. You know that in a rhombus all sides are equal. Here AB, BC, CD and AD are the sides. They are all equal in length. Now draw the diagonal BD. The diagonal BD divides the rhombus into two triangles. What about the triangles here? ABD and CBD, they are isosceles triangles. AB equal to AD, therefore ABD is isosceles. BC equal to CD, therefore BCD is also isosceles. You have already proved that in an isosceles triangle, the circles drawn with equal sides as diameter will pass through the midpoint of the third side. Here BD is the common base for both the isosceles triangles. Let E be the midpoint of that diagonal BD, which is the common base. Here, since ABD is isosceles, the circles drawn with AB and AD as diameters must pass through the midpoint of the side BD, and that is through the point E. Same way, since BCD is isosceles, the circles drawn with BC and CD as diameters must pass through the same point E. That means all the four circles pass through a common point. Prove that this is true for any quadrilateral with adjacent sides equal as in the picture. Consider a quadrilateral with adjacent sides equal. ABCD is such a quadrilateral. Here the adjacent sides AB and AD are equal, and also the other adjacent sides are BC and CD, they are also equal. BC is equal to CD. Now, as in the previous question, draw the diagonal BD. The quadrilateral is divided into two isosceles triangles. Triangle ABD is isosceles, triangle BCD also isosceles. That means the circles drawn with AB and AD as diameters must pass through the midpoint of the side BD, that is E here. Same way, the circles drawn with BC and CD as diameters will pass through the same point E. That means all the four circles pass through a common point.